Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the sprig stitch. And it's a nice stitch. You can use this for making scarves or pillows, blankets, sweaters. It's a very versatile stitch. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Work a foundation chain in multiples of 4 plus 3. I worked a chain 23 for this demo. Skip the first 3 stitches. In the 4th stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, work 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, in the next stitch work 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch work 2 single crochet, chain 2, in the next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and you're going to repeat that across the row. Skip 2 in the next stitch, 2 single crochet, chain 2, and then in the next stitch 2 single crochet. Okay, I worked across the row. At the end of the row, skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the last stitch, and the next row is going to be repeated over and over. So it's chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. In every chain 2 space, all the way across the row, you're going to work 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, chain 2, and 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Like that, all in the same stitch. So go to the next chain 2 space, work 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. And you're going to repeat across the row. Find the next chain 2 space, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, chain 2, 1, 2, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. I'm going to finish working across the row. Okay, worked across the row. At the end of the row, there's that turning chain 3, single crochet in the turning chain 3. And now every row is exactly the same. Chain 3 and turn. Find the chain 2 space, work 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 single crochet, all in the same stitch. Okay, all in the same stitch. Find the next chain 2 space, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, and 2 single crochet. And you just keep repeating that row over and over until the work is the length that you would like. And I have one here, and you just keep repeating that same row over and over. And that is the easy to crochet sprig stitch. And this stitch is great for making scarves, pillows, headbands, blankets, or even sweaters and hats. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.